praise for all you've done. Lord, we give you praise.
Someone's left shoulder blade from the back feels like at times that someone puts a sharp stick through your shoulder. Is that you? Who's that here? Is that you? I thought it was someone over there. Lift your hand right now to the Lord. Can I ask what happened? What happened to your arm?
I got accident.
You got accident?
Yes.
And it's shooting pain?
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hey man, is every misalignment in your shoulder, every break, dislocation, command it to align now. To align now. Healed. Lift your arm to the Lord. Slow. Do something you couldn't do. Can we ask this man if anything's happened? Let's just ask him what's happening. I can feel the fire on him.
Thank you, Jesus.
Let him talk. Let him talk.
Bwana asifiwe. Kwa hakika nimekuwa nikiishi uchungu sana, lakini leo naona ni kama
interpret in English.
Naweza ichunguza kidogo.
He was living in pain but now he can
Mnaona?
Yes.
Hata sikuwa naweza kuinua sana hivi.
I was not able to lift my hand this way.
Lakini sasa hivi nasikia
right now
inasunguka vizuri.
That's why I can turn it well.
Hata vizuri ukiniangalia hapo nimeshinda kani na ilea kama mtoto sana.
Yeah, I was just holding it like a child.
Lakini nashukuru Mungu.
Right now I thank God.
Na nasema ni asante mchungaji kutembea huko.
Thank you man of God.
Let God lift you up. Kuliko mahali huko.
Let's give the Lord glory in this place. Can you ask him what happened?
Ilikuwa ni ya gari. Ilikuwa ni ya gari.
He's saying that he had a car accident.
How long ago?
Miaka mingapi?
Sasa hii nilipata mwezi wa 3.
Like in March this year.
March this year. Yeah. And what was the diagnosis from the doctor? What did they tell you?
Walipiga picha wakaona imeachana hapa na shindano moja ni pesa mingi, ni 2000 shindano moja. Wakiandika shindano 5 hiyo ni 10000 na unafaa kwenda Nairobi Hospital of Physiotherapy. Daktari kukuona ni 4000, kukuona tu hivi ni 4000.
He's saying that the X-ray was done and it was a dislocation, but so the treatment was so quite expensive, like 2000 per session. Then you have to give doctor 4000, so it was so much expensive. So
zilikuwa ni kama ungeenda mwezi mzima, like 1 month,
like you go the full month.
It will come like is a lot of money. 4000 physiotherapy.
So it's approximately like 100,000.
Yeah, exactly.
Jesus has just done it.
Yes.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. You see, guys, it's time for us as a church to get back into the truth. I'm serious. We must protect this mind gate, this eye gate. And unfortunately, there is a division. And we've got to choose what side you're on. Are you going to be a wheat or a tare? A goat or a sheep? Are you going to stand on the truth? Or be deceived?